and welcome back to my channel. And I love it here. Unfortunately, this is not my apartment. So basically, it was a long weekend and I've been meaning to visit my friends who live in Montreal, and so this weekend I came. I'm vlogging, by the way. This is the Vogue Hotel in Montreal, and it's just like so nice. I want my apartment to look exactly like this, like everything. They just renovated, and so it looks beautiful. I did a little tour in my vlog, so you'll see that. This room really inspired me to film, so here we are. Okay, so today's video is going to be on my brand new bag. So I bought a new bag. I love vintage, I love designer bags, and I love something that speaks to me. And I like a bag that's maybe a bit more unique. So when I saw this one, you know I love red, and this is more like I feel like this is like a cool girl bag. So anyways, okay, so I feel like I'm all over the place. This is the Gucci Jackie bag. Okay, so kind of in a bad mood today because I'm gonna get my period, but I ordered a new bag. So I ordered it, it's so quick, honestly. Fashionphile is just so quick. I ordered it on Saturday, and here it is. It's it's Wednesday, but are we excited? So it always comes with a file. So wait, I'll take a photo. Okay, so here we go. Look at that, look at that. It is the most perfect. I simply adore vintage Gucci. Like, look at this. This is not silver, it's like black, but I'm fine with it. Like, I'm more of a gold girl, but this is fine. Like, the red is just so perfect. Like, it's the perfect red, and the leather is just so nice, and there's like no marks on the hardware. Like, how is that possible? And just look at how pretty. It's the perfect size. I would show you, but I'm in the robe. Anyways, I don't look cute today. This is like so cute. Let me, oh my god, it feels so nice. In this bag, hopefully it smells nice. I always check in the description if the bag smells nice, because yes, this was pre-loved. Not sure like from when, but the condition is like perfect. It's like, look at the corners, like the corners look pretty good. This bag is so cute. It's like the perfect like nighttime bag, but it's still big enough for daytime. So yeah. So when Gucci redid the Jackie bags, I was not in love with them, you know? I was like, okay, that's a cute bag, but you know, I was not in love with it. But then I much prefer, for some reason, the vintage versions. Also, buying vintage bags is a great way to get a designer bag, which I've said this before, at a really good price. I did a video on this bag. So this is the Bordeaux. As you can see, I feel like this is more of a nighttime bag. You can use this in the daytime as well, but this is definitely more of a daytime bag just because of the size. This is the Bordeaux. I love this one so much, to the point where, and usually I use my stuff, but to the point where I'm like, I don't even want to use this one anymore because I love it so much. I did a full video on it if you want to see it. I love it. And when I saw this one, like, for some reason the size, I believe, is smaller than the other Jackie bags that we usually see. I don't know, this one is just small. It's the perfect, like, well, this is how I call it. I feel like I'm not a cool girl. You know, like, I feel like my style is not very cool, but this is like my cool girl bag. You know what I mean? Like, look at it. It's red, it's black. I already have another red bag, the Balenciaga City in red, but this one is just different. It's really cute. I love it so much. So I got this from Fashionphile. I got a few bags from Fashionphile, and I really like the customer service. I ordered this. It's so funny because I ordered this and I was not having a great day. Like, it was not starting. The day was not to a good start. Whatever. I was going through it. And so I just ordered this bag very impulsively. Obviously I had seen it on the website maybe like a week or two before, It was still there, and so I just ordered it really quickly. And I'm really glad I did. It's such a cute bag. And also, what I will say, so the Bardo bag has 2 handles, and sometimes, you know, it just falls off my shoulder. But like I said, I love this bag so much. This one stays on your shoulder pretty well because it's just one strap, and I don't know, I feel like it stays pretty well. But I always end up wearing my bags like this anyway, so yeah. So do I have anything in it? I wore this yesterday for the first time. I went out with some friends and it was really fun. And yeah, the quality, like, I'm not sure if it's me yesterday, but I don't know. And today and yesterday, like, it was in my suitcase, so I should probably, you know, keep it stuffed and stuff. Now for the hardware, it opens like the Bardo bag, so you just like do this and it's just open like this. On the inside, oh, and yesterday this weird guy took a photo of us like outside of a strip club, and then he gave me his card so I can contact him so he could send us the picture back. The inside of the bag is, we didn't go into the strip club, but which, who knows what this guy's gonna do. I don't think he was working for the, I don't know. But anyhow, the inside of the bag is like really nice. Like, it's like she didn't use this, which is great for me because I do use my bag. So and yeah, the hardware is not silver, it's more of a gunmetal. I thought about painting it gold, but I don't know, I feel like the gunmetal works with the black and the red. I feel like it adds to the cool girl aesthetic, you know. It contributes to the cool girl aesthetic. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not very cool, but this bag is making me feel cool. And I feel like this is the kind of bag that Miss Fashionphile would have worn in one of the, so I'm not sure, so I believe this bag is from the 90s. And I believe Tom Ford was the creative director for Gucci in the 90s, early 2000s. And there's this one bag that, you know, from the nanny, Fashionphile, she wears. So it's this canvas, red canvas, but it has a metal handle. And I'm pretty sure that one is Gucci by Tom Ford. So I'm not sure if this is from like the same era, but anyways, I tried looking for that bag with the metal handle, and they're quite hard to find. Like the one I saw was sold, but yeah, I think those are pretty rare. But this one was, you know, it reminded me of it. So it's just like, it's a pop and it matches my nails, so I just feel like this is a great addition to my collection. But anyways, like I said, I bought this bag from Fashionphile, and I think it's my 3rd bag from Fashionphile. I really like them. Shipping is, like I had started talking about, shipping was so quick. I ordered on Saturday, I got it on Wednesday, I think, and I live in Canada. Duties was about $47, which is not that bad. This bag, Canadian, was maybe $700. So yeah, I love it so much. I love it. Like, it's so cute. So now let's see what fits in it. So obviously my phone fits. Like if I'm going out and, you know, it's gonna be like a nighttime bag, I need my phone to fit. So my bag, my phone fits, my camera fits because I brought it yesterday. I mean, honestly, a lot fits. So let's see. I always bring this with me. My wallet. Actually, my cards are not even in my wallet, but anyways. Some gum, a whole bunch of tampon will fit in there. Today I'm just wearing this bag because I couldn't put this bag in my luggage. So anyways, like, a lot fits in here. But yeah, my essentials, usually like some lip gloss, lipstick. This is a Fenty Sweet Mouth. I really like this, but I'm wearing the Juicy Tube from Lancome and Magic Spell, which I love. And then this Charlotte Tilbury little buffer brush that I always bring, and then this that I always bring, a little lip liner maybe. So it fits in the little bag, and let's see how it closes. So this is what it looks like when it's full. Isn't it cute? So and I feel like it holds a little better. It stays better on your arm when it's full. So that is everything for this bag. Honestly, I wanted to show you the bag, but I also just wanted to film in this beautiful room. So now I'm gonna go film 2 more videos, I think. So yeah, it's just, look at this bag. I love it so much. So let me know if you like it as well, and let me know what's on your bag wish list. There was a Chanel bag as well that I saw in the Real that was so nice, but it's sold out. Somebody bought it. I just love bags that you don't see as much. I like a bag to speak to me, and also something a bit more unique. So yeah, that's why I really like this one. I don't know. Let me know what you think about it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video in this beautiful room. Like I said, I will film a few more videos here, and I will also post my vlog, so you'll see the room tour. It's just so, it's really nice. I want my apartment to look like this. I'm moving in like 3 weeks, and it's giving me some inspiration for the decor. It's just so simple and muted, but still warm and inviting, you know? It feels comfortable, like I want to stay here. So anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Eventually I would really like to do maybe a bag collection, and at first I didn't think I would be doing one because I don't have like a huge bag collection, but I have a few bags now, I realize, and maybe I would have a little something to say about each. So let me know if that's something you want to see. Yeah, I will leave some alternatives down below. I personally like to check Fashionphile and the Real pretty much like weekly. I check it weekly, both of these sites. It's like my little morning routine. I find bags that are similar to this, I will leave them below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon in a new one. Bye!